What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is That Nerd Chris, and I am here to teach you guys how to make your streams better. In today's video, we're going to cover how to make your streams look prettier. I've been streaming for a whole entire year, actually a little bit more than that. Before I did this, though, I used to do IT work. I used to own a couple of computer repair shops. So trust me when I say I know what I'm talking about, and I'm going to try and keep this as simple and quick as possible so you guys can get back with what you're doing. Make sure you guys stay to the end, though. I'd really appreciate it. And if you could hit that subscribe button, that would really mean a lot. I've seen a whole lot of streamers out there who put a ton of effort into their streams. I'm talking they interact amazingly with chat. They've got a really cool background. They've got the best overlays. They've got cool effects. They've got the green screen. Like, you can tell people put a ton of effort into their streams, but they look like crap. And that's because a whole lot of people don't know that you actually need to configure OBS to look good. Depending on your hardware and all that stuff. There is an auto configurator built into OBS, but it's doo-doo. All right, so buckle up your seatbelts, get ready, because we're gonna fix that for you, and your stream's gonna look good afterwards. A little bonus, you may actually also get a boost in your FPS in your games as well. So there's the icing on top. Let's roll that beautiful bean footage. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Step number one, make sure you go to your Streamlabs OBS or regular OBS. It really doesn't matter. These are pretty much the same. Things could be located in a slightly different position, but everything should be the same. So we're going to right click on OBS and we're going to click Run as Administrator. Make sure that you guys manually set it to Administrator every time that you run OBS, because currently, and this probably will be worked out maybe even by the time that you see this video, but using this particular encoder, or these particular encoders, I guess I should say, you may run into issues with OBS getting the proper amount of resources to run fluidly. So that's why you run that like this. Okay, anyways. Stream Inception. Next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the bottom left-hand corner, click the gear icon, and then go to Output. Once you're in Output, this is grayed out right now. It will not be grayed out for you. It's only grayed out for me because I'm recording right now. At the top, click on this output mode and make sure to set this to advanced. Afterwards, go to encoder, click on that, and then set that to NVENC new or just NVENC. If you don't have either of those, then you've probably got an AMD graphics card or you're not streaming games. Put it on AMD if that's what you see. After you do that, we go on down to bitrate and we're gonna set that to 4,500. That is what I recommend for non-partnered streamers on just about every platform. There's a lot of people out there with doo-doo internet, and there's nothing we can do about that. So we've got to make sure we cater to those people if you would like more views. Now, if you really don't care about people with doo-doo internet, then you can crank that thing up. I think Twitch's limit is 6,000 and Mixer's limit is 10,000. Make sure that your internet speeds are capable of these type of uploads. I would recommend going to speedtest.net if you're not sure what your upload speed is, and just making sure you've got a decent amount of upload speed. I would recommend having at least 5,000 more upload than you're going to be streaming at. And the reason for that is sometimes programs are going to try and upload stuff, or if you've got other people in your house, they may use the internet. And if that happens and your stream crashes or looks like crap because of it, that's not good. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you could like or subscribe to the channel, or both even, I'd really appreciate it. And if you got any questions at all, just drop them below and I'll do my best to get right back to you on that. Maybe we can make a video for you. If you got a video suggestion, just drop that down there and we'll talk about it. Besides that, I'm That Nerd Chris. I stream on Mixer. Should totally go follow me on Mixer. I'll put the link below. Yeehaw. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Goodbye. I don't know what I'm doing with my hand there.